Good morning, students. So today we shall discuss on examples for domination number. So in my last video you might have seen the definition of dominating set, minimal dominating set and domination number. So let us recall the definition of a dominating set. Dominating set is nothing but it's a subset of a vertex set of a given graph G, and that subset is said to be dominating set if every vertex in its complement is adjacent to at least one vertex in dominating set D. And minimal dominating set means in any dominating set there is no other subset, there is no proper subset of dominating set which is again a dominating set. And domination number is what? Minimum cardinality among all domination, minimum cardinality among all minimal dominating sets in a given graph G. Okay, for example, consider a given graph G here. So you can see that this graph containing four vertices v1, v2, v3 and v4. Okay, so let us write all minimal dominating sets of graph G1. So here uh, first you can see that D1 is a minimal dominating set. So here D1 is v2. V2 covers v1, v3 and v4. Therefore v2 is a dominating set. Further, there is no proper subset in D1 which is again a dominating set. Therefore D1 is a minimal dominating set. So next, D2. D2 is v1 and v3. So here complement of D2 is what? V2 and v4. So you can see that v2 is adjacent to v1 and v4, and v4 is adjacent to v3. Therefore D2 is a minimal dominating set. So similarly D3 is also minimal dominating set. Okay, so for this graph we get only three minimal dominating set: D1, D2 and D3. Now look at the definition of domination number. So domination number is what? Minimum cardinality among all minimal dominating sets. So here you got three minimal dominating sets: D1, D2 and D3. So among these three minimal dominating set, minimum cardinality is what? D1. Therefore domination number of this graph G1 is what? Cardinality of D1, so which is 1. Therefore domination number of this graph is 1. Okay, in other words we can say that only one vertex is required to dominate all other vertices of graph G1. Okay, for example, consider second graph G2. So here this graph containing 7 vertices. Okay, so let us write all minimal dominating sets of this graph. Okay, so first D1 is what? V1, V3 and V4. You can see that V1 is adjacent to V2 and V5, V3 is adjacent to V7 and V4 is adjacent to V6. Okay, it means every vertex in V minus D1 is adjacent to at least one vertex of D1. Therefore D1 is a dominating set. And you can see that there is no other proper subset of D1 which is again a dominating set. For example, if I consider V1 and V3, V1 and V3, verify that whether V1 and V3 is a dominating set or not. You can see that V1 is adjacent to V2 and V5, and V3 is adjacent to V4 and V7, and V6 is not adjacent to any other vertex of V1 and V3. Therefore V1 V3 is not a dominating set. So next consider V1 V4. So similarly, if I consider V1 V4, V7 is not dominated by any other vertex of V1 and V4. Therefore V1 V4 is not a dominating set. So next V3 and V4. If I consider V3 and V4, V1 is not dominated by any other vertex. Therefore there is no proper subset in D1 which is a dominating set. Hence D1 is a minimal dominating set. So like this you can write some minimal dominating sets of this graph. So in this example I wrote 6 minimal dominating sets. Further we can see that D5. So D5 is what? V2, V5, V6 and V7. Okay, so similarly you can verify that D5 is a dominating set and it is also minimal dominating set because there is no other proper subset of D5 which is again a dominating set. Okay, So similarly you can write some other minimal dominating sets. Okay, but most of the minimal dominating sets are cardinality 3. Only D5 has cardinality 4 here. Therefore, even if you write some other dominating sets, you cannot get a minimal dominating set of cardinality less than 3. Okay, therefore the minimum cardinality among all minimal dominating sets will be 3 only for this graph. Therefore domination number of graph G2 is 3.